You could be your own forensic investigator in your home. Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and I have a product for you that every single person must have, either at the home, on a cruise, on vacation. You gotta have this. This is a must-have. It's your ultraviolet beast. This is incredible. These are black lights. You could be your own forensic investigator in your home, on vacation, on a cruise. This will find urine, uncleaned urine, semen, and these are the most important things that, that's all I have to say. These are the most important things, especially if you're cleaning your bathroom and your son says, "I've never missed a toilet, I swear." This will prove him wrong. Or right. Well, most likely wrong, because it'll find anything. It glows bright yellow. It comes with a pair of glasses to make yourself see the disgusting part that you're going to do better. So when you have these on, these are like a filter, and it makes to see the actual stain more visible. However, you don't need them to do it, but it's recommended that it does come with it. It makes it easier to see. I did a walk through my home today, and I had my friend's dog over, and told me that the dog threw up, and I found it. So it wasn't really cleaned up per se, but nonetheless we're able to find it. So you can go into your bathroom. I know I went into my bathroom, and apparently I need to clean around the toilet because not because of me, but just in general. There are stains in that area that I've actually never cleaned that area before. It looked clean by a visual, but I'll show you a video on that because it's pretty impressive. Wow, look at that. You can't see that. Look at all that yellow. Oh my God. Look at that. The grout is actually yellow. And you can't see that with the naked eye. Hey Google, turn the bathroom light 100%. You see? That's yellow. Without it, it looks fine. So that's urine. Now remember, I just moved in. I didn't get a chance to clean anything in here. That's disgusting. So this product definitely needs to be in every home. And also, believe it or not, when you turn it on, you actually can feel heat from it as well. It is absolutely incredible. I guess this is similar to what chiropractors use for loosening muscles or whatever, but you could definitely feel the heat off of this. And this is infrared. That's all I have to say. This is an incredible product. I recommend it. It uses 6 AA batteries. So they come with like little canisters. So you can see this. I'll show you. 3 and 3. A lot of power. There are directional arrows on here. It tells you which way the direction to put them in, so you don't put them in wrong. And that's that. It's made really strong. It is an ultraviolet beast for sure. No doubt in my mind, it's a beast. Look how big it is. It is absolutely massive. I have 2, just because I purchased these bad boys on my own. I will have a link in the description below to purchase these bad boys because I recommend them wholeheartedly. A bigger one is always better because it has a larger wide span of, you don't have to use a little flashlight and be close. This is very powerful. It penetrates extremely far. And that's pretty much it. So if you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. As always, like, subscribe, and turn on that bell for notifications for future videos. Take care, and we'll see you next time.